Hello everyone, my name is Akanksha and today I'm going to do this unboxing of Glamingo box that I have just received. And this is the Glamingo box for the month of July. So let us quickly see what all I have received. So I'm going to quickly open the packaging, just the outer packaging, and I won't be able to shoot it because I'm recording it with one hand, so I will be needing my other hand to just open the whole packaging. So I'll be right back. So this is how the box looks like. This one, they have changed the packaging of the box as well as they have increased the money. So earlier we used to pay $2.99 per month in order to subscribe for this box, but from this month onwards the subscription per month has increased to rupees 399 rupees, and the box has also become more sleeker, and they have also given this cute pastel shade in replacement of the cardboard packaging that they were providing before, that they have chosen for the packaging. And let us see what all I have received. So this is how the box looks from inside. So all the products are wrapped and packaged nicely in this bubble wrap, and this is the information card that I have received with it. It says that I have received 4 products and the price is also mentioned. So let us quickly see the products one by one. Product is this sheet mask from Monster. It is a 3-in-1 mask. So it is a mask which can be used on face, neck, and as well as ears. So this is how it's going to look, and it also contains an vitamin C essence that you can apply after you are over with the masking, and it retails to rupees 250. So it seems to be a very nice and unique mask because of this essence that it has with it. The second product is this hand and body lotion from BioBloom. It is a very small product. I think this is just a sample product. It is 30 ml, though it retails to rupees, where is the price? It retails to it's not written, I cannot see it. See, it is written that it is not to be sold separately. So the price is not mentioned on the packaging of this product, though I have mentioned it here in this information card. The price they say is rupees 150. I don't think that this should be worth 150 rupees, but that's okay. BioBloom is a nice brand and I am expecting good results from it, but I'm going to keep it aside for winters. I'm not going to use this lotion in this monsoon season. The third product is this Neemly Naturals Green Tea Lip Scrub. It contains green tea, raw sugar, coconut oil, almond oil and beeswax. It retails to rupees 250, and it is a new product for me. I have never used a lip scrub before. So once I'll use it, I'll also share my review with you all on my Instagram page. The fourth product is this lipstick. So this is a lipstick which is made in China, and its weight is 3.5 gram. Although the brand is Californian, but it has been manufactured in China. So I have received the shade Lust. I remember choosing some other shade, but I guess my package was already dispatched by them, so that's why I like this shade as well. Let me quickly open it and show you how this shade looks like. So this is how the single swatch of this lipstick looks like. So it is a good lipstick with a creamy texture. Though I chose Guilt, I have received Lust. Maybe because my box was dispatched before I was given the link to choose the lipstick. But I am happy with this shade as well. I was a bit confused between Lust and Guilt, and I am okay with this shade as well. So this is all the products that I have received in the box, and the total worth of the box comes out to be around 2200, and I am happy with the month's box. And this is all for today. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye bye.